portal gun to scrap mechanic. Well, at first I wasn't sure if this is even possible, but I think I've got an idea now. So I'm planning to basically add a spot gun to the game, and whenever the projectile the spot gun shoots hits an object, it's gonna generate an area trigger, which I'm literally just gonna visualize by some block effect like this. Anything goes through the area trigger, it's gonna get teleported to the other one. I think I can make that weird. So I've added a new projectile to my spot gun, and now I basically shoot pesticides, but I removed the clouds that appear, and I also just kinda realized this is not gonna work. Wait, oh god, this is not gonna... like, I can have the code that creates the portal in the tool itself, which would be better, or I add it to the world script because it's easier. Right, so now once the projectile causes a collision, it says a message in chat. So I've now broke my spot gun. Oh, I forgot another equal sign. It's these simple typos that cause so many errors. Okay, so now I shoot something that looks like a water projectile, and if I press R to reload, my script crashed again. And yeah, it's because I forgot a T for invert. Now if I press reload, we have the wrong color on the portal text. Yeah, now we can switch between each portal, so I'll actually need to make the portals work. Okay, I've just got the code done, and I'm not seeing any errors yet. So in theory, if it actually works. You can see the portal. What is wrong with the portal? Yeah, you can see I'm actually shooting some kind of a portal. It does not have the right dimensions. Let me get some glass blocks. Yeah, it's a flat portal. Why is it so flat? And now if I change the projectile to orange, we can shoot the orange portal, which has better dimensions. I think I messed something up with the scaling of this one. Okay. Why is it a cube? It's not what I wanted. Yeah, I need to get the rotation right. It actually looks pretty good with the water animation. Much better than I expected. I think I have a really janky idea to get the rotation of the portal, because I could just get the rotation from my spot gun when I shoot that, and then later apply it to the portal, because the onProjectile function does not return a rotation. I'm an idiot. I have the hit velocity, so now I can do vector physics to get the rotation. Well, I just do not like vector physics, so did I screw stuff up? I probably did. Yeah, wow. Well, I was a genius. I created a rotation that couldn't exist, so yeah, this is something. You see it's sort of working. Actually, is it working? Yeah, it's getting there. Why is this so weird? I do not understand it. Well, I got it working now, but I kind of realized that angling portals now is really stupid, because they're just gonna clip in on the surface, which is not... that's not really how a portal works. Basically, what it should do is get the rotation from the surface it's sitting. See, what I'm basically now doing is basically creating a raycast where I start a little bit before the projectile hit the surface, find the object it collided with, and try to get its rotation. It would be so much easier if I could just get whatever it collides with. And yeah, I can also shoot through walks. Yes, this oh, because I made it so it can only hit static objects. And now look how this is amazing. This is so good. It just... wait, why is it now okay, it's a little weird sometimes, but it works most of the time. And yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, if the angle is too long, this has to do with the way I do the raycast, so it works well enough, I think. All I just did is make the raycast much longer, and this improves the rotation of the portals. Now, one issue is it cannot hit angled surfaces at all. It just right through them. Okay, I think this has to do with the only hit static property. Now yep. Are you kidding me? This is not the surface. How does it not know this? This is so weird. Well, I think in this case, I'm just gonna re-enable the function. Yeah, this is way too cursed for me to deal with. Alright, so now the last part is to actually make the portals work. Okay, so if I now create two portals, this is weird. Oh, I know what happens. So when I create the portal, the wall itself enters the portal. So this is why it triggers a teleport. But anyway, if I now walk into the portal, it says teleport. So yeah, the collision is working with the area triggers. No, I just need to actually make the teleportation work, and preferably not teleport the wall I'm shooting the portal at. I'm just copying stuff from the water manager. Okay, now I should have it done so far that if I actually go into the portal, it should teleport me to into the other portal. There's a 10% chance this is gonna work already. So, yep, I get an error. That is not good. Well, now it might work, but I think there's a legit chance I'm gonna be stuck in a loop teleporting between these portals every tick, probably crashing the game. So let's see.
Nope.
Okay, my code is not working again. Should I be worried that this assertion fails with my trigger? For some reason, the trigger is just missing the user data. And yeah, the documentation in the API is not really helpful on this. I don't understand how this works. Like, all I need to know is just the rotation of the trigger, so you will be rotated the right way when you go outside the portal. Oh god, I think I know my solution to my problem. I can just get the rotation of the effect, which is the same as the area trigger. This is really janky. It's not a good solution, but it should work. Yeah, I'm surprised how difficult this is. At least the rest of the code seems to be working. So it's just the area triggers that are kind of cursed. By the way, the effect does not have a get rotation property. So yeah, I literally need to save the rotation separately. It's so stupid. All right, this took freaking forever and it's not working again at all. Why? Like, I'm really starting to regret this idea. Why does it not work at all anymore? Yeah, I accidentally removed the trigger of the trigger. Right, here we go now. This is really what programming is. A bunch of trying and you don't know if it's gonna work. And now if I go through there, I mess something else up. But stuff is working somewhat, which is good. Let's see if we finally got freaking teleportation. Oh god, it's working! My console is a rainbow of errors. Well, so what's happening is easy. Once I enter this one trigger, I'll get teleported right into the other one. So I enter this trigger as well, and then I just go back and forth. So basically, I just need to make a list of things to ignore once they've been teleported. And also the rotation is wrong of the camera. Okay, I've got the direction somewhat fixed. Yeah, I wrote some janky code so it doesn't even work. Nice. So I was trying to save the new character, but it gets destroyed immediately the same tick. Right, so now everything does not work as intended. Wait, I actually just froze the game and you can see both mechanic characters are still present. Oh my god, this is so annoying. It takes a tick for the game to switch to the other character. And this is just because Scrap Mechanic has crappy teleportation and it's so weird. Now I hopefully added a countdown, which... Oh, why is it not working? I am such an idiot. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I've actually put the leave portal on the exit bind of the area trigger. So as I was leaving the portal, it was calling the functions as well. So there was literally no escape. Oh my god, I am so stupid. Maybe I could have spared myself all of this other stupid stuff if I just had gotten rid of the stupid leave bind. Because now it's probably just gonna work. Yes, you see, it's working. It is working. I go through one portal, I'll get teleported out of the other. And it works so well. Whoa. The physics even work. This is amazing. Like, it literally jumps me out of this portal. I fall back in. Dude, this is so epic. I mean, I'm not entirely done yet. I'm also gonna make it so it works for shapes and stuff and projectiles. And then you could really build complicated challenges with this one, which would be really amazing. Like actual portal in Scrap Mechanic. Yeah, I think I kind of found something like a bug. I just put a portal on the roof. Now if I go through this, I'll float inside. This is not perfect. I think instead of ignoring teleportation for objects, I'll just add a cooldown to the portal and pray that works. In theory, I should now be able to kick this cube through the portal, which is probably not gonna work. Yeah. Right, let's try again. And I don't really know what I'm doing. Was just me doing some silly programming stuff, and oh my god, the cube disappeared and a new one didn't spawn at all, so that's kind of weird. Why is it all the way here? Oh yeah, it spawned somewhere under the map or something. I guess I'll just need to get the position right. All right, let's try again, and it's closer. Honestly, I don't really understand this. But I can place the portals inside each other. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, I don't really understand how the blueprint importing works, so I'm gonna leave it like this because this sort of worked. Yeah, and if I drive my car through the portal, why does it have this huge offset? I don't even understand. Yeah, let's see if I can at least make projectiles and characters teleport. For some reason, my entire portal gun broke, but now I should be able to, right, maybe stuff didn't break this time. Should I just shoot a portal through my turtle? Yes, why not? Okay, stuff broke again. Ah, yes, it's because you can only multiply a vector if you first have the number and then the vector. I think it was something stupid like this. Let's see if it works now. Maybe I shouldn't use the portal. Yes, it would work if I would use the correct function to generate the projectile. Because, like, this is the documentation for creating projectiles, and you see there's so many different functions you can use. This is really not the cleanest code I'm writing anymore. I accepted that this is gonna be a little janky and not... Now it should finally just work. I've just got a shape. I don't know why there's a shape. The shape is nil. It does not work. I don't know why it said it was a shape. It didn't exist. Alright, I copied something that apparently is damaged, so you can hardly see this at all. But now the potato is going through the portal. Oh my god. It was a lot more doable than the other stuff. Man, this is so cool. Probably it should even work if the... Oh my god, I can shoot the portal through the portal. What happened? Oh gosh! Do not shoot fries through the portal while the portal is still going. Okay, fries do work as long as you just do not stack the portals. Right, so I think the last thing I would need to do is just do the characters like glow bugs and so on. Also, if I hold the glow bug and go... Oh, that actually works. Cool. Right, so if I'm lucky, I can now just drop the glow. Okay. I mean, it's working, technically. Yeah, this is kind of bad. Alright, this might just work. Not. It is the same problem. I have another... Oh, God. If we're already doing it the janky way, I might as well embrace it. I just got my hopes up, but I just broke the script, so... Now we are back to this again. Why did I choose to make the portal gun? It was not a good idea. It is so... annoying. I should have known. But it seemed so simple. Okay, the answer is I'm stupid and I was too lazy to write one line of code. This is why I spent 5 hours debugging it, because I'm like, yeah, it might just work. Yeah, you can see I've been working on this for way too long. Oh my god, object equals oject. This typo! If I've just... No wonder this never worked before. It's just... This is so dumb. You can see I'm slowly drifting into insanity. Just tell me it freaking works. Fuck. God dang it. What? Yeah, let's just ignore whatever's in. Whoa, wait a second. I forgot to do this again. But hey. Now it should work. But now this is just gonna work. Oh my god, it just worked. Like, just imagine this. You know, if everything works, this little glow bug should be able to be teleported to... Why are you doing this to me? Let's just do it the janky way before I learn how these freaking tables work. Yeah, the hitbox of the portal is also not correct, but I don't care anymore. As long as the glow bug will teleport again through this orange thing, I am gonna be so freaking Oh my, I think it just works! Ah, finally. But yeah, now this does not get glitched and you can... Oh my god, it works! Finally, characters can go through the portal as well. So if I... Oh my god, what would happen if I had a haybot that's chasing me and then I run through the portal? Is it gonna follow me? You can just teleport the bots. That's so funny. Look how stupid the haybot is. That was definitely worth all of this effort modding the portal gun into the game. Yeah, I'm gonna upload this to the workshop and definitely leave a like, subscribe to the channel and comment, because these videos take a lot of effort. And if they don't do well, probably have to do other stuff, because this is gonna make me crazy.